Uh, we're gonna tackle this a little differently. Some of you are having trouble with this. So this is our amplitude, which is 2, right? You guys know that. And then this is our midline, which is our vertical shift, which is going to be equal. So our vertical shift is equal to 3. And then our phase shift here is going to be to the right pi over 3. So we're adding pi over 3. We're doing the opposite. So this format here is a little new to you guys. So this is, we call that, remember, we're calling that B, and that's the length of the period. Well, how you find the period, or the length of this thing, is we take 2 pi and we divide it by the B. So this is 2 pi over 3. So that's the length. That is the entire length of one rotation. All right? So what we do is we have all the information we need right now to sketch the graph. This is the best part. This makes it a lot faster. So then your 5 main points. So let's just draw this here, and we know that this is right here. So we're going to go, we know that our midline is at 3. We know our midline's at 3. Our amplitude is 2, so that means our maximum is going to be 5, and our minimum is going to be 1. That's our amplitude. This is our amplitude. Oops, amp equals 2. That's horrible. Let's write it up here. Amp equals 2. Okay, so we've got those two pieces. So we've got 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2. I'm going to draw this. It's a little better in pencil, but all I have is pens right now. So we have a new period of 0 to 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3. And we know that normally my graph would start here at 0 and it would go up. So we draw some dotted lines right here. We draw some dotted lines right there. This would normally go up to the maximum, down, and then finish, because I want my cycle to finish by the time I get to 2 pi over 3. Now, what this will do for us is this is going to allow us to do something a little different, because we have a negative here, so that means this thing's upside down. So right now, with my new period and applying the negative out here, my graph looks somewhat like that, with my 5 main points right here. Now, all I have to do from here is I've applied my shift, that I moved it up to 3, that's right here. I applied my amplitude, that's here. Here's my amplitude, that's up 2. And this is down 2. I've applied my negative, which means I flip the graph over. Now all I have to do is apply my shift. So I got to move this thing pi over 3 this way. So I got to add pi over 3 here. And I have to add, this is 0, I have to add pi over 3 here. So this is going to move over to pi over 3 somewhere. Okay? So this will move over to pi over 3. It doesn't have to be exactly